Hi, my name is Chan Yixie. My English name is Jay, and my student number is 1010957207.
And hi, my name is Jialiang Wang, and my English name is Robin Wang, and my student number is 101-109-3512.
Okay. So hello everyone, and welcome to our presentation. Today we'll analyze the results of our modeling projects for SDG indicator, which is the ACT project. This indicator measures the proportion of urban populations living in slums. My country is Togo.
And my country is Afghanistan.
We'll focus on examining how real-world factors influence trends, compare models, and discuss what makes a good model for this kind of data. Let's start by looking at the real-world factors that influenced the data for Togo and Afghanistan. In Togo, between 2000 and 2010, we see a consistent decline in the percentage of urban populations living in slums. This trend reflects efforts by the government and international organizations to improve housing conditions. However, the underlying issue of low income and limited resources for affordable housing continues to drive the existence of informal settlements.
And as for Afghanistan, the situation is more complicated. And from 2006 to 2022, the data fluctuated due to the world political instability and economic challenges. Conflicts caused mass migration to urban areas and putting strain on already limited infrastructures. These disruptions created inconsistent patterns compared to the steady decline seen in Togo.
These real-world issues had a direct impact on our models. For Togo, the steady decline in slum population was well suited for a linear regression model. This worked because the data showed consistent progress over time.
And for Afghanistan, the fluctuations in data made it harder to use a simple linear model, and a polynomial regression line is more better to fit the data because it could capture uneven trends.
To build better models, we need more data. For Togo, additional data on urban policies, household incomes, and housing investments could help.
And for Afghanistan, we need information on migration patterns, conflict intensity, and urban development funding.
We could collect this data from sources like the United Nations SDG database and national government statistics. Now let's compare the graphs. My graph shows a smooth and steady decline, which is easy to model with a linear function.
And my graph is less predictable and with noticeable fluctuation over time. This reflects the country's unstable condition and different factor-driven urban slum growth.
In summary, a good model needs to balance simplicity with accuracy. For Togo, a simple linear regression worked because the trends were steady.
And for Afghanistan, a good model needs to handle variability and unexpected disruptions. This means using more advanced model method like polynomial or dynamic models.
A good model also needs data that reflects real-world conditions, flexibility to adapt to disruptions.
And context-specific detail to explain trends, and also the ability to provide insight for policymakers.
And thank you for watching this presentation. We hope it gives you a clear understanding of the content. Thank you.